Sometimes your phone can be hacked if you are not aware. And this is because most of us, we are not aware about the signs that can be seen if your phone is being hacked. And that is why today I have brought this video for you. So stay tuned for what is going on in this video and make sure you stay until the end. In this video, I'll show you different warning signs that your phone may be hacked and what you can do to protect yourself. Make sure you watch until the end because the last sign is one that many people completely ignore. Let's get started. First sign, fast battery drain. The first warning sign is unusual battery drain. If your phone's battery suddenly starts running out much faster than normal, it could be because malicious software is running in the background. Some spyware apps constantly send information from your phone to attackers, which uses battery power. Of course, an old battery can also cause this problem, so don't rely on this sign alone. Look for several signs together. Sign number 2, overheating. If your phone becomes hot, even when you're not using it, there may be hidden processes running in the background. Hackers sometimes use infected devices to collect information or perform activities without the owner's knowledge. A warm phone after gaming or streaming videos is normal, but if it gets hot while sitting idle, pay attention. Sign number 3, finding apps you don't remember installing. Take a moment to check your installed applications. If you notice unfamiliar apps, especially ones with strange names or icons, investigate them. Some malicious apps disguise themselves to avoid detection. If you're unsure about an app, search for information about it before removing it. The fourth sign is unusual mobile data usage. Spyware often sends information from your device to external servers. This can cause a sudden increase in internet usage. Check your phone's data usage settings. If you see an unknown app consuming large amounts of data, that's a red flag. The last sign is unusual activity on your accounts. For example, you receive password reset emails that you didn't request, or you notice login alerts from locations you've never visited. This could mean someone has gained access to your accounts. If this happens, change your passwords immediately and enable two-factor authentication. If you suspect your phone has been hacked, first, delete suspicious apps. Second, update your phone's software. Third, change important passwords. Fourth, enable two-factor authentication. Fifth, install apps only from trusted sources. Sixth, run a security scan using a reputable security app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology and cybersecurity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.